In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign on Adobe Acrobat Pro. We'll walk through a clear, quick process so you can access your files and tools without any confusion. First, open the Adobe application on your computer. You're looking for Adobe Acrobat Pro, the desktop app used to view, edit, and sign PDFs. On Windows, you can find it from the Start menu by typing its name. On a Mac, check your Applications folder or use Search. If you've recently installed it, you may see a brief loading screen the first time it opens while it prepares your workspace. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since sign-in requires online authentication. If an update prompt appears, it's a good idea to let it finish so everything works smoothly. When Acrobat Pro launches, you'll see a Welcome or Sign In window. Click Continue with Google. This option lets you use your Google account to authenticate, which is especially convenient if your Adobe plan is linked to your work or school Google account. Choosing this method helps keep your credentials managed in one place and speeds up access. A browser window may open, or a secure pop-up may appear, depending on your system settings. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow it temporarily so the sign-in can complete. This step doesn't change your documents or settings, it simply confirms your identity. Next, select the account you want to use. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you'll see a list of accounts. Pick the one associated with your Adobe subscription or access. If you don't see it, choose the option to use a different account and sign in with the correct email. You may be asked to confirm your identity, like approving a prompt or entering a code, depending on your Google security settings. Just follow the on-screen instructions until the window closes and returns you to Acrobat Pro. Once the account is selected, Acrobat Pro completes the sign-in and loads your home screen. Look for your profile icon or initials in the top right corner of the app to confirm you're signed in. From here, your cloud documents, recent files, and tools like Fill and Sign should be ready to use. If the sign-in seems to stall, check your internet connection, ensure your default browser is set and up to date, and try reopening the app. That's it. Open the app, click Continue with Google, and select the right account. With those 3 steps, you're signed on and ready to work in Adobe Acrobat Pro.